Welcome back, everyone. The real estate collapse is here. You can see it firsthand. Last month, this property was listed for 295, and now is listed for 225. $70,000 off in 1 month. So all these people saying like, "I need to rush out and get a house." The collapse is here. We're seeing it firsthand, and you should wait. The prices are going to get better. Unless there's a specific neighborhood that you want that's a really hard house to find, you shouldn't chase it. You should wait till the market recovers. And we're in a downward spiral right now. And we'll be continuing to be in a downward spiral for the end of the year and possibly into next year. We'll see. But my 6 month prediction is continued downfall throughout the end of this year and early next year. Um, where you could see another $70,000 off this house potentially. A lot of real estate agents are saying they're having to take $40,000, $50,000 losses on the property from the list price, and they're happy to do that. So we got to look at the pricing right now, and a lot of these houses are stale. Like they asked for like 2022 pricing, 2023 year pricing, and you're not going to get that price. Maybe you'll get 2020 pricing. But, these people that bought too high, thinking housing always goes up, they bought at the wrong time. And now is the time to capitalize on that. And you see someone like this, and there's multiple examples, but this is just one of the most drastic ones I've seen where they dropped at 70,000 in 1 month. And on an already cheap house. I mean, 300,000 is a starter home. And why are you dropping at 70 grand? Because they're getting no offers. You see, they price changed, they price changed, they price changed 3 times, and there's still no offers. And maybe they'll price change this week for 200. So they lost 100 grand of potential real estate value. They overpaid, and now they're trying to just get out. A lot of it, you'll see more of this. And as more people get desperate to sell their house, then you'll see the market start to change. The banks are holding a lot of foreclosures back. That's one thing that's not talked about always, but there are a lot of people in tax foreclosure right now, and their homes will be up for sale next year, and I think that will really drive pricing down. I know at least, like, I just spot checked a couple houses and they're 10 grand, 20 grand behind on their taxes. So they're going to lose their home, but they have to wait. The government has to wait 3 years before they take their home as a tax foreclosure. So when you start looking at that and say, okay, well, they're already almost 3 years behind. So next year, all this inventory is going to come up on the market. So that's why if you're trying to sell at a good price, a fair price, a competitive price, and get your house sold. Because once all that foreclosure inventory that the banks have they picked up for free, basically, or the government has that they picked up for free, just fees and other things that they've been charging you, um, they're gonna liquidate your house at a substantial price, and they're not going to want to keep it on their books because it's a liability, not an asset. They rather sell it to someone and make the mortgage interest on it at 6, 7, 8% that they are now. And I think that you should wait to buy a house, but if there's that right one, you should go after it. Again, I feel like the sweet spot for investing in real estate is 5.5% interest rate and probably $50 to $100,000 off whatever someone has their price listed at. That will really be kind of the affordable housing market. That'll be equilibrium, I would think, in today's market. So whenever we get to that point, I think maybe we could get there mid next year, and that will be the sweet spot to start buying again and seeing the appreciation that you are used to in the housing market. Again, everyone started buying in 23, 24, 22, and all that inflated the market. Now we have a more buyer's market, and you got to be competitive if you're the seller. So good info. Like I said, you should wait if you can, get those discounts, negotiate off the list price. Don't just pay list price, negotiate off the list price, and get a good deal. And that's what we're here to do, is to help you get a good deal, help educate you. And we want to make this experience great for you. All right. Like and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. All right. Have a good day. Bye.